Just a teeny bit more. Oh, stop.
The sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take a ride, we can take it slow. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. I'll take you to a place we can see it all. Step off the edge, I can break your fall. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. When you fall down, I'll get you back up again. The things you try.
I'm going to go around this corner. I need you to spot me on these trees, please.
Alright, I'll go around the other way.
No, these trees right here. At the end here.
Yeah, I know.
I'm pretty sure I got it easy, but I just want to make sure.
Yeah, you're wide enough.
Just remember, it's going to start cutting in fast.
Yeah.
All right, we're good.
You get plenty of room over here.
I saw that after I started it. I just wasn't too sure how it was going to follow through that curve.
Yeah, you got plenty of room over here.
Since I wasn't able to straighten out any the whole time.
Mm-hmm.
Where should I put my sunglasses?
Up here. Put them up and out of the way.
I have this thing for traveling on dreary days
In
anymore.
1.5 miles, keep left to US 17 alternate.
Of course, you know the time of the year, though.
Yep. It just seems so funny because almost every morning we've been there, we've gotten up and it's been beautiful blue skies.
I know.
And,
Now we leave it.
Yep.
It's like the same conditions we came in in.
yeah. Well, thankfully not as bad.
Yeah.
There's no fog.
The older towns.
Yep.
Small old towns. You don't get to see this going through the making the highways.
Yeah, on the interstates, yeah. It's pretty though.
Mm-hmm. Yes, it is.
We can always stay a little longer. We don't have a plan. Just let me live a little younger than I really am. We've got nothing here to save us from ourselves. Let's live life like it's made up, jump in the wishing well. We are wanderers, nothing can stop us. 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 We are wanderers, we are wanderers, we are wanderers, we are wanderers.
I should clear that right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
I'm more worried about our trailer hitting his truck.
Yeah. I'm looking at this
I know.
up here too.
By the time I get out there, I'll be fine.
Mm-hmm. He's leaving.
Oh, he is? This guy?
I think so. No. Okay. He's not leaving yet. Yes. Alright.
Put your window down. And just keep an eye on that trailer right there for me.
Yeah.
What's really going on? What's really going on? Would you tell me? Can't you see? can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hypnotizing. Oh, no, we run the show. Let's get louder, come on, lose control. Got to live or we get too old. Come on, shine, shine a little tonight. Let's get louder, come on, lose control. Ain't no limit when we go for gold. We can shine, shine a little tonight. Shine a little tonight. Shine a little Let's hit the club, time to make a move. We got it late, ain't got nothing to prove. I can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hypnotizing. Oh, no, we run the show. Let's get louder, come on, lose control. Got to live or we get too old. Come on, shine, shine a little tonight. Let's get louder, come on, lose control. Ain't no limit when we go for gold. We can shine, shine a little tonight. Shine a little tonight. Shine a little tonight. Oh, shine a little tonight. Oh yeah, we can shine, shine a little tonight. We can shine, shine a little tonight. Shine a little tonight.
The sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take a ride, we can take it slow. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. I'll take you to a place we can see it all. Step off the edge, I can break your fall.
Turn right on South Carter Street, then take the first left.
Ow.
Turn left at the traffic light. In 1/4 mile, arrive at Backstreet Barbecue on the right. Arriving at Backstreet Barbecue on the right.
And that's the actual drive. Wow. Interesting.
It's my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. When you fall down, I'll get you back up again. The things you try are things that you won't regret. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world.